Hello, welcome to my daily earnings. Today is 18th of January 2022, and my earning has already reached 1,000. You understand? So this is the first time I've reached 1,000. 18 days of the month, I reached 1,000. So for the first time, so that means I'm making improvements. My target at the end of this year is to reach $3,000 every month. That's my target. So now I'm reaching 1,000 something, 1,500 above. From my calculation, this month I will reach 1,500 above. And yesterday I made $54. So I'm now averaging $50 every day. Averaging $50 every day. From my earning here, you see, I made $366 in 1 week, though I had negative. So my ad request is in millions, 1.03 millions, with only 69.2k impressions. Then my ECPM is 5.30. So for the first time, I've reached 1,000 in 18 days from Google Admob. So I'm very much happy. Many people were saying, not many people though, some people. There's someone on YouTube that said that is very small. I want to make him 5,000. Me, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a step. You understand? So me, I believe I've taken the step. I believe that one day I'm making 10,000 every month. $10,000 every month is going to be possible. One day it's going to be possible. Maybe in 2 years time, 3 years time. In 3 years time, if Admob did not block my account, I'll be making $10,000 every month. So I believe it's going to be possible. So let's look at the countries that help me to end this. Let's get the countries. So the number one country is United States. United States are being the number one. So US came first with earning of $404. That's my number one country, United States. Then my country has been coming second. My country came second with $343. So this month so far, I've earned $340 from my Nigerian users with an impression of 92,000. So I have the highest impression because I have more users from my country, followed by United States. From the number of impressions, you can see my number one users and the second highest users I have. So second highest user that I have is United States. That's my second highest users. Then United Kingdom came fourth, South Africa came fourth, Canada came fifth. So Ghana is seventh, closest. Ghana, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Ghana came sixth. So I'm very much happy. So you can see how much I've earned so far from every country this month. You understand? Summary, I've earned 1,020 with an impression of 182,000. So many people are always asking me on YouTube how many users I have, how many stores I have, so how many apps I have. I have up to 100 apps on Play Store, not only single. I don't have it in one account too. I have up to 5 developer accounts. You understand? 5 developer accounts where I put those apps. I have up to 100 apps on Play Store. I have over 100,000 installs. So that's what is helping me to earn like this. Not if you have 2 or 3 apps with few installs, unless if those 2 apps you have has millions. Like there are people that one app alone they will making this thing I'm making because that one app has millions of users. You understand? So but for me, I have few users from my app. Maybe I have 1,000 users from this app, 500 users from this app, 20,000 users from this app, 5,000 users from this app. So just like that, that's how I spread my users. You understand? So my users are just scattered, but if you combine them, it can reach maybe 100,000 installed. But active users, maybe active user might be up to 40,000. Maybe people that are currently installing, that have my app in their phone currently, might reach up to 40,000. So this is how my earning has been going so far this month. You can see for yourself. You can see how much I've earned so far. So thank you for watching this my video. Like this my video, subscribe. You understand? I am very much happy getting subscribers from you guys. I have reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, so very much happy. So for all the subscriptions that I'm getting. So if you have any question, ask me. People always asking me for my Gmail, for my phone number, for this one. No. If you have any question, ask me here, live and direct. I will answer you on YouTube. You understand? Any question you have, ask me on YouTube. I'll answer you. My phone number, for security reasons. That is the reason why I don't want anyone to contact me physically. For security, you know, what we are dealing here is money. People used to do bad things because of money. Money can make people do bad things. So if you have any question, ask me on YouTube. I will answer you. You don't have any problem. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Bye.